I have invested a lot in TMAI, almost 90%, and now it's down 90%. I believe in TMAI. Hopefully we can recover. Yeah, I mean, I've invested a lot too, man. 7 years. Um, um, my entire net worth is in TMAI, pretty much, right? So obviously it's not good. Well, I can't speak on price much. It's not good seeing your portfolio go down 90%. Okay, to be honest. So definitely all in. Definitely want to kind of do what needs to be done to kind of have this comeback story, right? As I say, a setback is just really an opportunity for a comeback. So um, here to help maximize TMAI and what we're building. But it's just the honest truth, man. It's been a long 7 years, but the market has shifted. The market is more mature. I mean, people are doing incredible stuff on platforms for free, right? Take your trading terminals. Take what Photon. Um, what's the take Hyperliquid. Like all this is being done for free, right? Like a lot of different tools now are just giving away all this for free and just making money, and I would say printing money on just on-chain fees, right? So whether they're adding all kinds of indicators or token bubbles or screeners, if you're making 20 million a month or even 100 million a month like Hyperliquid, you can subsidize a lot of stuff, right? So for us, really our expertise now is in the indices, taking everything we've learned and putting it into this new product. What is the plan to TM Analytics? Are we selling it to other companies, or will we enable it later stage? We actually did explore selling it to other companies recently. Actually, I spoke with several different companies. Well, I would say kind of investors, several institutional investors, right? And there was kind of general feedback and consensus feedback on just the analytics space um, going through a big change, right? Where we have to kind of just kind of read the tea leaves, see where things are going, right? Take feedback from our customers, take feedback from investors, right? Because spoke with several, I would say, crypto M&A firms, and also spoke with some just with TradFi investment banks, and just kind of getting their perspective on the space, the market, and everything. And the big idea is the indices, right? Making money on fees. That's kind of been proven out. Um, the SaaS model in crypto really is dying. That's kind of the honest truth. So we have to kind of make this big pivot. What are your expectations on TM indices? How many or how much volume are you expecting? Um, Initially, I would say we want to kind of control the onboarding, because obviously we're dealing with capital here, so we don't want to just open up everything and just have people put in like $1 billion. So it's going to be a slow, gradual, methodical release. So even now with onboarding, we're capping onboardings or deposits to $100, right? And then we'll slowly increase the maximum you can invest, right? So we're onboarding investors slowly. There'll be initial caps on how much you can invest into an index, and then keep on raising it up, because we want to avoid just catastrophes that happen with DeFi and with crypto and smart contracts and all that. But long term, the idea is for these on-chain indices to have billions of dollars in AUM. That's kind of the idea, right? Where you can invest into the TM100 and it has $1 billion of capital in it, and it does weekly rebalancing. I would say that would be the first version, right? Or kind of like the first long-term version. Now with this being built on Hyperliquid, although right now the version people have is not on Hyperliquid, but if people want leverage, that's something we can just turn on as a switch, right? So rather than trying to find the 100x coin, maybe you just buy that TM100 with 100x leverage. That's why perps are kind of the future. I think perps and prediction markets, as crypto and just financial markets become more speculative, that's something you could do, right? People could maybe even control the leverage they want. If they wanted to do 2x leverage, 5x leverage, 20x leverage on any index, whether it's TM100, whether it's the AI index, whether it's a DeFi index. So all these different avenues open up for us once we get it working on Hyperliquid. So yeah, interesting times. But yeah, that's kind of what we're envisioning.